unahin ko muna yung possible na gawin niya. Breakout tayo dito sa trend line, yun po. Kanina po ito, alas 6. So, two things ang pwedeng gawin sa recovery. No? Kung ito po ay recovery, so there's a possibility na V-shape recovery yan. Letter V, isang direction pababa ito, and then we go up. Okay? Or, possible naman, looks like we're doing a W. Possible double bottom. Yung double bottom can go lower low, ha, pwede ganyan. Pwede ka umabot dito sa SR flip area kung magdo-double bottom man yan. But still, that's a possible recovery. No? Tingnan natin. Ngayon, yung head and shoulders. Okay, so itong unang scenario natin, yung dalawa, yung V and W recovery, that's the bull case scenario. So ngayon po, yung sinasabi nyo na possible ba na head and shoulders, yes, tingin ko meron din dito, no? Head, left shoulder, head and right shoulder. So possible din po yan. Tapos ito yung neckline natin. Yung potential niya na head and shoulders is this. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, and this is your right shoulder. Tignan nyo, magka-level sila. So potential po yan na head and shoulders. Head and shoulders is a bearish pattern if it breaks to the downside. Pag binasag niya tong neckline. So most of the newbies dito nagkakamali. Kasi, posibleng head and shoulders, sino-short na nila dito pa lang sa right shoulder. Tapos tumuloy. Okay, failed. So pag magte-trade kayo ng pattern, head and shoulders, or flag, you have to wait for the pattern to form and break out bago nyo pasukin. Kasi pag pumasok ka kagad na potential, yes, kasi iba ganito, nung newbie ako, ito rin, common to na pagkakamali ko. Ay, potential head and shoulder, sige, short ko na. Ba't ko gustong i-short nung time na yon? Kasi mas malaki yung gain ko, potentially, kung talagang bababa. Yan. Yun ang mindset ng newbie. Kasi, short ko na. Tapos, biglang recovery pala. Kung recovery, sunog ka. So, usually, pagka patterns po na ganito, ang trade mo sa breakdown, sa retest, kasi pag yan naman po ay nagtuloy-tuloy, okay, let's say bumasag dito, nag-retest, magfo-form yan ng flag. Okay, ito po magfo-form ng flag yan. So another leg down. Pag nag-form ito ng head and shoulders, malayo-layo yung potential measured moves nito, ha. Ang layo nito. Balik ka dito sa 3,000 area. Kung magmamaterialize. Kung magtutuloy-tuloy itong correction ng gold, but ako personally, looking at the chart of gold, using our TPI system, kasi hindi ako nag-short nga, no, as mentioned to you, on an uptrend. Alright? So, look at this. Using our TPI system, alam natin na buy yan. I look at this blue line, is still trading above the yellow line. Kung successful to na magre-recover, I will still go long.